Now you can freely generate or refine text with AI using the Fill Content dropdown. It works with any text element or table. In this example, to update the order date in the order summary table, select the column, open the context toolbar, and choose Generate with AI from the Fill Content dropdown. Enter your prompt to reformat the order date and change it to a different time frame. Send it, and AI will update the content instantly. You can also use this with nested components, like in this example, a checkbox category. Use AI to replace placeholder content with a list of event categories in just seconds. The same applies to menus, radio buttons, and dropdowns, helping you create tailored, realistic content for your designs effortlessly. If you want to update multiple text elements while keeping the design context, AI can handle that too. For instance, to change product details into a specific skincare product, select all the text elements you want to update and tell AI what product information to display. It will detect the name, price, and description and update them automatically.